Hello everyone, welcome to the Borickz channel. I hope you are good condition wherever you are, and God bless to all of you. Hey everyone, I'm beyond excited to finally share this unboxing with you. I've been waiting for this package for what feels like forever, and the moment finally here. From the moment I showed this product, I knew I had to get my hands on it, and now it's right to front of me. First impressions. The packaging is absolutely stunning. You can tell a lot of thought went into making sure everything arrived safely and stylishly. Peeling off the seal and opening the box feels like unwrapping a special gift, and I can already tell this is going to be amazing. I take everything out. The quality speak for itself. Every details is just perfect, from the sleek design to the premium feel. I can't wait using it and see how it performs in real life. If you're thinking about getting one for yourself, stay tuned because I'll be sharing my full thoughts and experience soon. What do you think? Have you tried before? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more unboxing like this, be sure to stick around because plenty more to come.
Kailan tayo? Nakakaya mong hirami bumili na ako. Makakahuli na tayo ng pating nito. Look. Ano, palagay mo, makahuli na tayo ng pating? Oh, yan. Meron pa ako isa small, ang huli ng karpita. Ito. This is accessories. This is for the mosquito stress band. See? It's beautiful. The other one, I'll take all this. My lovely daughter. Nice. Finger watch. Are here. Mine.